Hey guys, it's your boy Henry here. Today I have some incredible products to show you. New to the Australian market, but well known around the world. The all new Zenfone 8 and Zenfone 8 Flip. Let's get right into it.
Right here, we are first greeted by a sleek Zenfone 8 weighing in at 165 grams and at 9.2mm thin. It comes in a compact 5.9-inch design for the comfortable one-hand wonder and is certified IP68 dust and water resistance. On the other corner, we have the Zenfone 8 Flip, with the key difference is the flip camera. More on that later. And weighing in at 215 grams and 9.6mm thin. The Flip comes at 6.67 inches for the ultimate entertainment pleasure. Both mobile phones comes with the latest flagship 5nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G mobile platform. The Zenfone 8 screen comes in a smooth 120Hz Samsung AMOLED display that is topped with a Gorilla Victus screen for the ultra-smooth scrolling and blur-free videos. The Zenfone 8 Flip is an all-screen 20:9 aspect ratio, 90Hz Nano Edge AMOLED display topped with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and an in-display fingerprint sensor. On the camera department, the Zenfone 8 has front and rear Sony Pro grade cameras. We have a dual-rear 64MP IMX686 main shooter with optimal image stabilization and a 12MP IMX363 ultra-wide with support for macro photography. The Zenfone 8 Flip is drizzled with innovative flip camera that can allow you to use its main camera as a selfie camera plus easy panorama and free angle shooting. The triple camera setup consists of a wide 64MP IMX686 main shooter, 12MP IMX363 ultra wide, and 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and up to 12x digital zoom. Finally, you won't be out of charge with both Zenphones. It has fast charging capabilities. The Zenfone 8 with 4000 mAh and Zenfone 8 Flip with 5000 mAh battery.
Oh, tall, dark and handsome? Oh, that must be me. Oh, sorry about that. So that was the video of the Zenfone 8 and Zenfone 8 Flip comparison. Do leave me a like, share and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, I'll read them all. But until then, I'll see you in the next one.